guys, so today I'm going to work at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The time now is around 12 o'clock. So yeah, I just came from the grocery and I bought this stuff. I will show you how much are these things. Okay, but first let me cook rice. So while I'm telling you what are these things, I'm ready with my rice. Okay, so yeah, one of the things that I bought is of course the rice. Wait, where is the rice? It's here. So most of the rice that you're going to see in the grocery are in this size. This is 1 kg rice. So because most of the people here doesn't eat rice, they just eat burger, sandwich, something like that. But for the Filipino like me or for other Asian, they always prepare a rice. And you know how I prepare rice, so I just pour it in here. And we like the jasmine rice. Jasmine rice is prepared by most Filipino, other than white rice or basmati rice. Basmati rice is good for fried rice, and the Indian people, they prepare that kind of rice. I'll put it here. I put some water. You notice that we have a very small kitchen. So basically when I cook rice, I put like this, my finger. And I measure the length of the rice, the thickness of the rice, or the height of the rice. And then it should be the same with the height of the water from top of the rice. Like somewhere. And make sure, where is it? Make sure to dry this one. The camera is leaning. Okay, make sure to dry the rice cooker here, because if not, it will be a cause of short circuit in here. So I shopped this from the Aldi. Aldi is like it's the same like Coles, Woolworth, Carrefour, but there is no Carrefour here in Sydney. But Aldi is one of the grocery that sells cheaper compared to Coles and Woolworth. So in here I bought so this is 1 kg onion, and it costs $1.29. I keep it there. And this one is cotton buds. We always need cotton buds, otherwise our ear will be dirty looking. This one is cost 240 pieces. It's 99 cents. 99 cents. It's for me. And this is tuna chunks in brine. It's $1.15. I keep it here. I bought rather, I have to. And then this is a cabbage. Cabbage is half kg. No, half cabbage, yeah. And it's $1.99. also bought a toothbrush, and it costs $1.99. 2 pieces of toothbrush. And the regular milk, it's $1.59. I actually bought 2 kg of rice, so I have another one here. And the corned beef. Corned beef is Heidel corned beef. It's $2.69. And the 12 pieces of egg, 12 large farm press caged egg, it's $2.59. So these things, yeah, that's it. I have another one right here. So this thing is very cheap, I mean affordable compared to the other grocery shops here in Sydney. Remember the name, it's Aldi's. And if you are earning money here in Sydney, you will find this very affordable, very cheap. But if you are new in Sydney and your money is coming from, I mean, from another country, you earn from another country, and you are new here, and for sure you will find it's very expensive. Like when I was new here, and I don't want to buy these things because I feel that these are expensive, because I always comparing the price from Dubai and from the Philippines. So yeah, that's it. So the total of this is $24.04. If you compare to pesos, that would be around 3. Yeah, you can convert $1 is around 34 or 33 pesos, and for the dirhams, $1 is equals to 3.60, yeah, $3.50. $1 is equals to 3 dirhams and 50 pills, something like that.